Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to present a lesson in math by Kanika Kurgaonkar. This is Pia. She had a beautiful garden in the backyard of a house. The lawn in the garden was in the shape of a square. Let's recall the formula to find area of a square. So, area of a square is given as side multiplied by side, that is equal to side square, or sides to the power 2. Consider the square of 3 meter side. The area of this square would be equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9 meter square. Area of a square of length 5 meters would be equal to 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25 meters square. 3 square is also read as 3 to the power 2. Similarly, 5 square is also read as 5 to the power 2. Area of a square A1 of side 1 centimeter length is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1 centimeter square. Area of square A2 of 2 centimeter side would be equal to 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4 centimeter square. Similarly, area of square A3 of 3 centimeter side will be equal to 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 9 centimeters square. Now, note down these numbers which we have got and are highlighted in red squares. We already know that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are natural numbers. Numbers 1, 4, 9 and so on are called square numbers. Square number is a number obtained by multiplying its factor with itself 2 times. Let's explore about these numbers in our topic square and square roots. Consider this table. Here, squares of numbers are given. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and square of 5 is 25. Let's fill in the remaining blanks in the table. Square of 6 will be equal to 6 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 6 square, which is equal to 36. Square of 7 will be equal to 7 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 7 to the power 2, which is equal to 49. Square of 8 will be equal to 8 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 8 square, which is equal to 64. Square of 9 would be equal to 9 multiplied by 9, that is equal to 9 to the power 2, which is equal to 81. Square of 10 will be equal to 10 multiplied by 10, that is 10 square, which is equal to 100. These numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 are all perfect squares. The table here shows the squares of numbers from 1 to 20. So square of 11 is 121, square of 12 is 144, square of 13 is 169, square of 14 is 196, square of 15 is 225, square of 16 is 256, square of 17 is 289, square of 18 is 324, square of 19 is 361, and square of 20 is 400. Observe carefully the units place of all these square numbers, which are highlighted in red. We can conclude that the square numbers have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 at its unit place, whereas square numbers do not have 2, 3, 7, and 8 in its unit place. This is the property 1. It states all perfect squares will have digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9 in their units place. Now, in these numbers, they also have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9 in their units place. But they are not square numbers. They are not the perfect squares. Numbers ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9 may or may not be perfect squares. For example, 124, 300, 131, 189, 335, 226 are not perfect squares. Observe carefully and tell whether the given numbers are perfect squares or not. By observing the units place, we can conclude that 400, 169, 81, 225, and 1089 are perfect squares. Square numbers ending with 1 in their units place. The numbers that have 1 or 9 in their units place, their squares will always end in 1. This is the property 2. If a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its squares ends in 1. Using this property, from this set of number, let's find the numbers whose squares will have 1 as its units place. So, 19 square and 101 square will have 1 in its unit place. Square numbers ending with 6 in their units place. Numbers that have 4 or 6 in the units place will have squares that end in 6. This is the property 3. If a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its squares ends in 6. Report the digits in the units place of the square. In first case, the unit place is 1. Therefore, its square will also end in 1. In second case, unit place of number is 6. So, the square will also end in 6. In third case, square number will again end in 1 as the number has 9 at its units place. In the last case, the square number will end in 6 again. Square numbers ending with 0 in the unit place. The numbers having 0 in its unit place will have their squares ending in 0. This is property 4. If a number has 0 in its unit place, then its squares also ends in 0. Observe this carefully now. In the first set, as you can see, number have 1 0 while their squares contain 2 zeros as highlighted in red. In the second set, the numbers have 2 zeros while their squares end in 4 zeros. This is property 5. If a number has or contains 1 or 2 zeros in the units place, then its squares contains 2 or 4 zeros respectively at the end. Square numbers of odd and even numbers. Here 2, 6, 12 are even numbers, and if we see carefully, their squares 4, 36 and 144 are also even. In the second case, 3, 13 and 19 are odd numbers and their squares 9, 169 and 361 are also odd. This is property 6. Squares of odd numbers are odd and squares of even numbers are even. Let's summarize. We have learned different properties of squares. Property 1. All perfect squares will have digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in their units place. Property 2. If a number has 1 or 9 in its unit place, then its square ends in 1. Property 3. If a number has 4 or 6 in its units place, then its square ends in 6. Property 4. If a number has 0 in its unit place, then its square also ends in 0. Property 5. If a number has or contains 1 or 2 zeros in the units place, then its squares contains 2 or 4 zeros respectively at the end. Property 6. Squares of odd numbers are odd and squares of even numbers are even. Let's solve few problems now. Fill in the blanks. The square of odd numbers are dash. The correct answer is odd. The squares of even numbers are dash. The correct answer is even. Observe the following numbers and using the properties of squares, fill in the blanks. First case, 11 square. Since 1 is in the units place, its square will also end in 1. In the second case, 19 square. So in units place, 9 is there, so its square will also end in 1. In third case, the square number has 4 zeros, so the number itself will have 2 zeros, that is 100. 100 square will be 10,000. In fourth case, the units place is 6, so the square number will also end in 6. Fifth example, we already know that 196 is the square of 14. Solve using the hint provided. Find out the numbers that are not the perfect squares. So from this given set of numbers, we can say that 2222, 1057 are not perfect squares. numbers whose squares will have 1 in their units place. So let's find these numbers. In this set of numbers, we can say that since 81 has 1 in its unit place and 799 has 9 in its unit place, using property 1, they will have squares which end in 1. Write the digit in units place for the squares of the following numbers. In first example, the units place of a number is 5, so its square will also end in 5. In second example, the units place of a number is 4, so its square will end in 6. In third case, number ends with 0, so its square will also end in 0. Example 4, number ends with 6, so its square will also end in 6. Example 5, 1 is in units place, so its square will also end with 1. Example 6, 9 is in units place, hence its square will end with 1. For homework, you can find 2 examples, each for the perfect square and the numbers which are not perfect square. And using the properties of perfect squares that we have learned today, you can comment on it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And if you have liked this video, please like, share and comment on it. Thank you once again and have a nice day.